Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use filters in Trello for effective workflow management, the 2025 version. First things first, you'll want to log into your Trello account and open up your board. The reason we start here is because your board is where all the magic happens. It's your project's central hub. Now that we're in, locate the Show Menu button in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This helps us because it reveals a sidebar with more options, including the one we need, Search Cards. Next up, click on Search Cards. Here you'll find the filtering options. You can filter cards by labels, members, due dates, and keywords. This is crucial because filters allow you to sort through the clutter and focus on specific tasks. Let's say you want to see cards assigned to a particular team member. Simply type @ followed by the member's username in the search box and hit Enter. Now, only cards assigned to that member will be displayed. This helps us because it streamlines the view, making it easier to track individual responsibilities. The same principle applies to using other filters. For labels, use # followed by the label name. For due dates, use due followed by the date or date range. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello's algorithms are sifting through your board's data to serve you the most relevant cards based on your filter criteria. Remember, you can combine multiple filters to refine your search even further. For instance, to see all cards assigned to a member with a specific label due in the next week, you would type @username, label name due week. And that's it. You're now an expert at using filters in Trello for workflow management. With this skill, you can master your project's organization and boost your productivity. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next tutorial.